So let's start there. All right, what's a work instruction? What's a process plan? Maybe how they're different, how do they relate, that kind of thing. Tell us your view of that.
Well, in my mind, they're kind of one and the same. Work instructions are how do I assemble this assembly, or how do I manufacture this part? Mm-hmm. A process plan encapsulates the work instructions and the routing. The routing is typically more of an ERP thing, where a routing has your work centers and your setup and run times, and that's how ERP establishes, what's the lead time on making this part or assembly. So a process plan has a bill of material associated to it as well. So all of those things, I guess you could say, become the work instruction on the shop floor. And that's where the rubber hits the road, is on the shop floor and building, whether it's building component parts or building assemblies. That's where the model is really changing.